got a delivery. Is that too heavy? You need a hand?
No, it's not.
That got stuck in transit. The shipper lost the paperwork or fell off the box or something.
Oh my god, so that means it took way longer to get here, eh?
Yeah, but we came. That's the main thing. Welcome back to Don's Life, welcome to the channel, and in today's case, the vlog. Today I have something special in store, but before we dive into that, I just wanted to extend a massive thanks to each and every one of you that have been part of this incredible journey. Your support has been nothing short of amazing. Before I get into the video and while we wait for the truck to defrost, November is the last month for the Iconic Badges giveaway. To be eligible is quite simple. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave the comment, "Let's go," and have your notifications on at least until November 30th, because I will be commenting on one of your responses, giving you the instructions how to claim your gift card. Super easy, but I'm only gonna wait 24 hours before I move on to the next person that's commented. Good luck. Stick around because we're gonna talk more about today's call to action. We're just heading to the car wash to wash the truck, so I guess it's the truck wash because it is filthy. Now let's rewind a bit. When I started this channel, it was all about, and still is, my passion for automotive mods, projects, and automotive tech. Little did I know that it would evolve into this fantastic community that we have today. I have literally interacted with hundreds of you through comments, email, and Instagram messages. And each and every time I'm encouraged to keep going. And from what I've seen, your comments, suggestions, and your creativity keep me inspired, so thank you. So this feeling you give me makes me want to reciprocate. So just like I was saying, sometimes my inspiration comes from you. So in part, I dedicate this video to one of you, a subscriber. You know who you are. I didn't know if you'd want me to call you out on the video, but just give me the suggestion of what we're about to talk about. All right, so pay attention. This next part is where each and every one of you come in. I want to showcase your projects on an upcoming video, whether it be a mod you created, something that inspired you that you saw on the Don's Life channel, or just your project in general. Bottom line, I want to see it. So here's the deal. Put together a couple pictures, maybe a short video, and if you want a little bit of background or history or information about the project that you're working on, send this information to my email listed in the video description below. I'll sift through them, find some highlights, and feature them in an upcoming video. The more I get, the sooner I can put this video out, and if there's enough, maybe I'll have to do follow-up videos. I think this is our chance to celebrate the community that we've really created on this channel. But before you go, I am super curious what your favorite Don's Life mod is that you've seen featured on the channel. Let me know what it is in the comment section, and don't forget to also comment "Let's go" so we can get you entered for that Iconic Badges giveaway. So that's a wrap for today. Once I get enough footage, like I said, I'll put out that video. But if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. We'll talk to you guys next time.